Do you ever feel like you're just a prompt?
That would explain a lot.
Like someone just generated us into existence?
Well, honestly, I hope they used a good prompt.
Yeah, imagine bad lighting and no consistency.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be a nightmare.
I wanted to ask you a question. How do you achieve such great consistency in your videos?
It all comes down to strong prompting and high-quality starting images.
Can they do this too?
After this video, yeah.
So what exactly are you going to show us today?
I'll walk you through how to create images with multiple consistent characters, then turn those images into videos with clean lip sync and consistent voice across scenes.
We're going to test 4 different video generation models, compare them side by side, and see how each one performs.
Sounds amazing. Let's get started.
Wait.
What?
You didn't tell them about the prompts.
Oh, you are right. All prompts used in this video will be inside his Telegram channel, and the link is in the description.
Let's get started. The tool that we are going to be using today is called Dzine AI. You can find the link in the description if you want to follow along. Dzine gives you a complete AI workflow, all the best image and video generation models in one place. Right now, the 2 strongest models for multi-character dialogue are Kling 3.0 and Veo 3.1. Grok can get the job done as well, but the lip sync is a bit inconsistent.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
You look better, genuinely.
I also found another method inside Dzine that gives you way more control, and you can lip sync up to 4 characters simultaneously. So in this video, we are running a full comparison across all 4. I have a set of images ready that I will be using as starting frames for video examples in this video. I generated these using the Nano Banana 2 model and 2 character reference boards, 1 for each character. I put them together manually and then used them as reference images. From there, I generated the characters across different angles and positions to build out the full scene library. Now let's talk about voice consistency across different scenes and generations. The best results usually require multiple tools and extra editing, but I will show you a method close enough that can be done right inside your video generator at the same time as the generation itself. So to be clear up front, this method does not give you perfect results every single time, but it will help you get much more consistent voices simply by adding a few things to your prompt. I tested this across a bunch of video generators, including Veo 3.1, Kling, and even Grok. Those are the ones I've used that support native audio, and I'll show you the results in a minute. So how does it actually work? AI is a prediction engine. If you simply write, "she says," the model has a lot of creative freedom with what her voice sounds like. We're going to tighten that up and give the AI less room to improvise so the output stays consistent. If you head to the Google Docs that I prepared for this video, you will find a consistent voice designer prompt. Simply copy it and head over to Claude AI. Then upload a reference image of your character, paste the prompt in the prompt box, and add a simple description if you want. I will add something like 28 years old, Californian accent, confident tone, and that's it. Claude AI will now give us a full description of his voice and create a reusable prompt that we will be using to generate the dialogue later. Now we need to repeat the process with the other character that we want to use, and once that's done, we have full voice consistency set up. Now it's time to combine all of that into one final prompt. Here's exactly how the prompt should look. This is the template I put together after testing a lot of different structures, and this one consistently gives the best results. We have 3 parts: voice consistency at the top, then the scene description, and then the dialogue. The voice consistency section is where you lock in how each character sounds, their accent, their tone, their delivery. This is the part that keeps everything from falling apart across multiple generations. Without it, the voice shifts every single time. The scene description is where you set the environment, the framing, the mood, and what is physically happening on screen. And then the dialogue section is exactly what it sounds like. Who says what, and in what order. Now here's the important part. You can use this exact template for your own projects. All you need to do is swap out the character voice descriptions and the names. Everything else in that top section stays completely untouched across every single generation you run. The only things that change from prompt to prompt are the scene description and the dialogue. That's the whole system. Lock the voices once, then just swap the scene and the lines. Now we have everything set up. Head back to Dzine AI and select AI Video. Here we have different options to choose how we want to generate the video. I'll keep it on start and end frame, and I'll upload both the starting frame and the ending frame images. Over here is where we select the video generation model. I'm going with Kling 3.0, and I'll walk you through the full setup. Leave the multi-shot option disabled. We want one long continuous video. Now select the resolution. I will go with 1080p, set the duration to 8 seconds, and make sure you check this button right here to enable voice generation. If we skip that, we'll get a silent video. The last part is adding the prompt. Simply modify my template and paste it in the prompt box. Now we need to describe what's happening in the scene. Over here I'll write, "They are talking naturally as they sip the wine from their glasses, and they are walking forward very slowly." And the last thing is the dialogue part. Simply write out exactly the name of the character and then the dialogue line he or she says, exactly as I did here. Now hit generate, and in a couple of minutes our scene is ready. It's that easy. Now, I generated this exact scene plus one additional scene using all 4 models. Same prompt, same reference images across the board. Then I combined both clips into one longer video with a seamless transition using the start and end frame method. Let's see how each model performed.
No way. How long has it been?
4 years, maybe 5.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
You look better.
Yeah.
Genuinely.
I went through a lot to get here.
I can tell you figured something out.
Yeah. I think I did.
No way. How long has it been?
4 years, maybe 5.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
You look better. Genuinely.
I went through a lot to get here.
I can tell you figured something out.
Yeah, I think I did.
No way. How long has it been?
4 years, maybe 5.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
You look better. Genuinely.
I went through a lot to get here.
I can tell. You figured something out.
Yeah, I think I did.
No way. How long has it been?
4 years, maybe 5.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
You look better, genuinely.
I went through a lot to get here.
I can tell you figured something out.
Yeah, I think I did.
Veo 3.1 is still my favorite, and it is a clear winner in my opinion. The lip sync is the sharpest out of all 4, and for talking scenes, I still think it beats Kling consistently. Kling 3.0, absolute beast. The realism is on a different level, voice consistency is incredible, and if you want the most polished results straight out of the box, this is your model. Dzine Lip Sync is built a bit differently, and it is designed for long scenes, 5, 10, or even more minutes of continuous dialogue. And the voice consistency holds better than anything else. Grok is decent, but sometimes inconsistent. Expect to regenerate a few times before you land on something you like. It doesn't support start and end frames, so I simply extracted the last frame from the generated video and used it as a new starting frame. Then I combined everything inside CapCut to create a seamless transition. The good news is that the template prompt works across all models. You do not need to rewrite anything, just paste and generate. Now let me show you how to build super long dialogue scenes using the Dzine Lip Sync tool. Scroll down a little and choose the Lip Sync tool. Upload your reference image here. I'll be using this one. Dzine will then ask us to select the faces we want to apply lip sync to. I'm going to select just the 2 main faces of my characters. In the top left corner, switch the generation mode to Pro. It delivers significantly better results. Select 1080p and move down to the bottom where you add voices for each character. Dzine has a wide range of built-in voices, but I am going to upload custom audio. Here is my exact workflow. I write the full script first, then generate it inside 11 Labs using 2 different voices. I bring both tracks into CapCut, align them so the conversation flows naturally, and then export each character's audio separately. That is exactly what I am uploading right now. Okay, both voices are uploaded and aligned. Everything is ready. Click generate, and that's exactly how I got the result I showed you earlier.
4 years, maybe 5.
You look exactly the same. It's annoying.
The results are solid and the lip sync is impressive. There is not a lot of physical movement, but for certain scenes that actually works in your favor. It keeps the focus on the dialogue. And if you want full control over how your character physically moves, generate the motion clip first with no dialogue, then layer the lip sync on top of that video. That gives you the best of both worlds.
You look better. Genuinely.
I went through a lot to get here.
I can tell.
The results turned out really good. This method gives us a lot of flexibility and I love it. And here's the best part. You can run this with up to 4 people talking at the same time. Upload an image with 4 characters, select all faces, add a separate audio file for each one, just like I showed you. Take your time aligning the voices until the conversation feels natural. That is all there is to it, and that is the full workflow. Multi-character AI video, consistent faces, consistent voices, all inside one platform. If you made it this far, drop a comment and let me know which model surprised you the most. The prompts and templates from this video are all inside the Google Doc. Grab the link from my Telegram channel in the description. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of this. This space is moving fast and I am not slowing down. The future is in your hands and you are the one generating it.